YouTube channel. Today I have with me
Kavina,
and we are doing a wig collab with her brand, and she's going to tell you about it.
So today we're about to install this Russian blonde hair, and I dyed it blue and I instructed this wig and I'm about to install it on her head. So this is the hair from my hair company, Sheglowshair. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
Also, I'm gonna have a discount code and all her information down below to check her out, so don't miss out. And yeah, so the wig comes in this really cute lime green bag with Sheglowshair on the front of it. It's super cute. So basically you start out on braided up hair. You want to make sure your hair is braided and secure under this wig. And also she's going to be going in and sewing down my hair, making sure it's all the way in there, you guys. You don't want any like loose pieces or anything like that. And I've actually never seen anyone sew someone's hair down. Like, she is the real deal, y'all. Then after she sews my hair down, make sure it's fully good and in there, she's going to go ahead and get the scissors, cut that piece off, and then get a wig cap. You need a wig cap when you're applying a wig. So she's getting one in nude because of how light I am. So you want to go with one closer to your skin tone. Then she's going in with the Got To Be gel and making sure all my baby hairs are laid down completely. You want to make sure your baby hairs are not poking out in any way because you do not want to lose any baby hairs at all. So that's actually really important when applying a wig or knowing where to start. Just make sure to get all your baby hairs back. So now she's going in and applying my wig cap. You want to make sure to get all your hair into that wig cap when you first put it on. Now she's going in with the Got To Be gel, making sure to apply that all to the front because this is a closure wig, so you actually don't need the gel all the way around the cap like you usually would. Well, all the way around the front of the cap like you usually would to make sure it's secure, because in the end, she's actually going to be cutting a lot of this cap off. So after she's done applying that gel, she's going in with the Got To Be spray. And you just want to make sure that the cap is really molded in and stuck there, basically. After you get it in, you want to blow dry it and make sure the cap is completely dry before you start cutting it. Now she's going in again and she's just going to sew that wig cap down in the front. Make sure it's fully secure because you don't want that shifting. You don't want it moving, because if your wig cap lifts, it's going to make your wig lift and you're just going to look completely ridiculous, and you don't want that. So now that she's got that completely sewed down, she's just going in again with the blow dryer, making sure that the front of the cap is fully dry. Like I said before, that's very important. But now she's going in and cutting off the excess cap, which you see she cuts a lot of it off because you actually don't even need a lot of it. You only need the front part. After the wig cap is completely gone to what you actually need, she goes back in with that Got To Be gel and basically just molds down the front of the cap like a lot, because like I said, you do not want it to lift. And then after she does that, she's just going to go in with the blow dryer, and you want to make sure that's completely dry. So now that it's completely dry, she's going in with my makeup in 240. It's Maybelline. And she's basically trying to make me look like I'm bald right there, so that when the wig is on, you can't see through to my natural hair color or anything like that. So it looks pretty funny because I actually look bald right there. Anyway, then she takes the foundation as well and pats it on the front of the lace on the wig. And you just want to make sure it's fully covered as well. Now that we've covered all that, it's time to place the wig on, get it in its right place. Which it takes a little bit. You got to make sure to get the back of your hair in it as well, because that little braid lump, you got to get it all under the wig, get the lace in the right direction, just get everything correct before applying glue or laying it down all the way. Now that the lace is completely where it needs to be, she's going in with some glue, and there is 4 layers you need to put under. So basically the first layer doesn't really count. So then you put on 3 extra layers, and basically that's what she's doing here. But every time you apply a layer, you want to blow dry it. Make sure it's completely dry before going in and applying another layer, because it needs to be really dry before you put the lace down. Which I know that sounds weird, because then you're like, how does the lace even stick? But it works, y'all. Y'all know I don't know a ton about wigs. I'm learning myself. This is my 2nd wig collaboration, and I'm just really excited about this one, like, y'all. So now that all the glue has been applied and blow dried, it's time to actually lay the lace, y'all. This is the exciting part, like, y'all, it looks so good already. Also, depending on your skin tone, like at first we had a black closure wig and it just was not working out because of how light I am. So you just really need to know that when getting a wig, like what you should do for yourself just to make sure it looks natural and real. So basically, after laying the lace, you want to go in and blow dry it really, really good. Make sure it's super secure. Then she pulled down my baby hairs. Make sure to get all in there. Like, this is important. You got to make sure that lace is really, really secure. Now she's going in and cutting off that excess lace. And she was telling me that when cutting off the lace, it's kind of easier and better if you do like a zigzag when cutting it off. I don't really know how to explain it, so like don't go cutting it like straight across. You just want to pay attention, don't cut too much, and just basically watch the video and you'll see exactly what she's doing. Off the lace, she's just going in and giving me that middle part to make it just look really bomb, because you need your part, you guys, because this is a closure wig. The middle part is about like the only thing you can do to make it look really good. You can try the side part, but you will have to like shift your wig. Anyway, you guys, look how natural this already looks. It looks really good. So now she's going in with some mousse, and she's going to be laying the top of my hair, making sure to get it really flat. Basically now she's just styling my hair and making me look like a bad, y'all know, y'all can finish the sentence, but yes, like I'm in love. Now she's just gonna be tying down where the lace is and having me sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. This is to dry the foam that she just put on my hair, making sure everything is laid down. You don't want any frizzies or anything like that. This is also gonna help you melt the lace, because you don't want your lace to show, obviously. You don't want anyone to know that it's actually a wig. So now I'm just gonna sit under the dryer. Okay, you guys, so it has now been 20 minutes. The top of my hair is dry, and we're going to be taking this thing off my hair. And y'all, like, yeah, yes, 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 yes. Look how good that looks. Like, it looks so good already. Like, yes, like, she is the hookup, the plug. Y'all better go check her out. I'm gonna be real mad at y'all. Like, y'all better. Now she's going in and plucking my part. You want to make sure that your part is very defined and that you can see it. And she did a really, really good job at plucking my part. Like, it looked so good, you guys. So you basically want to make sure you do this. Now that the part looks good, she's going in with my color makeup and just filling the part in completely. Like I said, you don't want to see through the wig and see my natural hair color at all. So now it's time to style the wig. She's going in with her hot comb, making sure the top is just completely straight and melted and laid down. And then she's just going to be straightening my hair, you guys. So just stay tuned for the results. Even though you already saw them at the beginning, just stay tuned. Okay, so now that my hair is fully straightened, it's time for the baby hairs. You don't have to do them because, I mean, it does look a little more natural when you don't, but y'all know me, I'm extra and I love baby hairs, so I had her make me some, and y'all are just not ready. Like, I don't think y'all ready because I really wasn't ready. So the baby hair, she just used a comb and the Got2b gel to do, and it just looks so good. So, y'all, dang, like, who am I? Like, I am literally feeling myself. Like, don't talk to me. I'm just joking, y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. Little review on the hair is that it's super, super soft, very easy to manage. I've had it in for about 3 days now. And you guys, like, I've literally just woke up and just been bomb. Like, the only thing I've had to fix is my baby hairs and make them look real good. It's also super easy to manage at night. I just wrap down my baby hairs and then put a bonnet on, and my hair comes out straight. Looks really good. And there's no shedding. Like, I'm just, y'all, I just can't. So guys, we just finished the video and this is the finished look, and I'm literally in love. Like, my hair looks so good. Like, who told her, y'all? Like, look at this lace. Like, where's it at though? Okay. Okay. I'm feeling myself. But yes, make sure y'all check her out. Like I said, everything will be down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.
And make sure you subscribe to my channel. It will be in the description box below. Sheglowshair TV.
Go help my sister out because y'all got me together. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.